Diyu Smart has 10 years of experience in the smart lock industry. Our production facility, located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, covers over 10,000 square meters and employs nearly 200 people. With 6 production lines, specialized production and testing quality control processes, and a dedicated laboratory, we are dedicated to producing industry-leading smart locks that blend luxury with innovative design. Our products serve quality-conscious customers worldwide. We uphold the values of kindness, joy, passion, and creativity. We approach the relationship between people and things with a kind perspective, and approach creative work with joy and enthusiasm. Our vision is to provide the world with distinctive and superior smart products, making people's lives more convenient and happier.